Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's Ron Newsbaum, founder of BuilderComs. And real quick, we're going to go over how to access us anywhere. So just by going to buildercoms.com, you notice up here in the corner, right-hand corner right here, you have the log into BuilderComs button. Same thing on mobile. When you click on that, it'll automatically take you to log in. We don't need to verify that. It's just going to push me right on through because I'm already logged in. But as you can see, I'm in here. I'm able to then move into the projects, do all of that stuff as simple as clicking this button at buildercoms.com. So one thing you can do is you can save the address as a favorite. You can save it to on your phone as a shortcut. Then it opens up just like an app. But super easy to use, super easy to utilize. And make sure you get in here, get all your pictures, documents, communication, all in one place, organized per project. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself, the team. You can go to our website, buildercoms.com, where we were just at. Go to the Contact Us page, fill that out. We will get back to you. You can reach out to us at team@buildercoms.com as well. We are always here to help, and I look forward to talking to you.